A very good morning to all of you students. In our last class, we have studied about the various activities related to the concave and convex lens. So today we will be starting with our next topic, that is sunlight, white or colored. So in this we will be studying about the rainbow. So students, you all have seen a rainbow in the sky, and you might have noticed that it appears usually after the rain when the sun is low in the sky. So, a rainbow appears as an arc on the sky that contains a band of 7 colors, and you all know we also call it as the Vibgyor. So, the colors are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. So, the rainbow is seen as a large arc in the sky with many colors. That is, in short, we call it as the Vibgyor. So, here you can see the rainbow formed. Now, how many colors are present in rainbow? So, we have discussed that also. That is, there are 7 colors. That is violet, indigo, then blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. So, now you can see this also means that the white light of the sun contains 7 colored lights in it that separates out due to refraction, called a spectrum of light. So this spectrum of white light can be seen in the following. So you can see this spectrum of white light in the rainbow, soap bubble, surface of CD and prism. For example, you have seen that when you blow soap bubble, they appear colorful. And similarly, when light is reflected from the surface of a CD, that is compact disc, you see many colors. Now, on the basis of these experiences, could we say that the sunlight is a mixture of different colors? Let us find it out through the activity 15.11. For this, take a glass prism and allow a narrow beam of sunlight through a small hole in the window of a dark room to fall on one face of the prism. So here you can see, first of all, we have taken a glass prism and we are allowing a narrow beam of sunlight through a small hole in the window of a dark room to fall on one face of the prism. Let the light coming out of the other face of the prism fall on a white sheet of paper or on a white wall. So let the light coming out from the other face of prism, let it fall on white sheet of paper or on a wall. Now after this, what do you observe? So do you see colors similar to those in a rainbow? So you can see here in 15.30, that is, a prism splits a beam of sunlight into 7 colors. So you can see here that passing this light from this prism, the prism splits a beam of sunlight into 7 colors. Now, so this shows that the sunlight consists of 7 colors, and the sunlight is said to be white light. So this means that the white light consists of 7 colors. So you can say this thing also, as sunlight is said to be white light, and therefore it means that white light consists of 7 colors. Now try to identify these colors and write their names in your notebook. Now can we mix these colors to get white light? So let us try through the activity 15.12. Very interesting activity. So you have to take a circular cardboard disc of about 10 centimeter diameter. So you can see here we have taken a circular cardboard disc of about 10 centimeter in diameter. Now divide this disc into 7 segments. So you can see here we have divided this disc into 7 segments, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can see here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So we have divided this disc into 7 segments. Now paint the 7 rainbow colors on these segments. So on this segment which you have made on this, so you have to paint the 7 colors of rainbow on these segments as shown in figure 15.31a. You can also paste colored papers on these segments. So if you do not want to color it, you can paste these colored papers on these segment. Now make a small hole at the center of the disc and fix the disc loosely on the tip of a refill or a ball pen. So you can see we have made a small hole at the center of this disc and we have fixed the disc loosely on the tip of a refill of a ball pen. Now ensure this that the disc rotates freely. So you have to ensure that the disc rotates freely after this. So rotate the disc in the daylight. So you can see here we are rotating this disc in the daylight. Now when the disc is rotated fast, so when you will rotate it fast, then the colors get mixed together. So you can see these 7 colors, it will get mixed together and this disc will appear to be whitish. So it will look like whitish. So such a disc is popularly known as Newton's disc. So we call this as the Newton's disc. So you have seen here very easily we have done this activity from the easily available material. You can perform this easily. You can take this cardboard and we have made 7 segments and we have colored it and then we have made a hole at the center and fix it at the refill of a pen. So you can rotate it. So when it rotates freely with a fast speed, so you can see that this disc will appear whitish. And what we call to this disc, we call it popularly as the Newton's disc. So in the first figure you are seeing a disc with 7 colors and in B parts it appears white on rotating. So you can see here that these color get mixed to give the white light on rotating. So students, here we have finished with this chapter. So in your next class, I will be providing you the question answers and you can also try to find out at least the question answers of fill in the blanks, true, false and match the following on your own. So okay students, today we are going to stop here and we will meet in the next class. Till then, goodbye and have a nice day. Thank you.